Sanibonani nginibingelele nginamkelele channel eMasweti Production obingelelayo ngixolisa mfana kadla maphansi le enkandla mangabe yaqala ukufika cela ukuthi wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi ukho subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese ke uyakhomenta kulolu daba la namhlanje. Indaba ngizingalo njengamanje lutho ungene wabisha umnumzane uRamaphosa ngenkathi ehlangene nomnumzane noma ke no President Donald Trump ezweni lase US eWhite House ngesikhathi ezama ukuchazela umnumzane noma ke uTrump ukuthi ayikho iwhite genocide eSouth Africa. uTrump wavesaneke waphendula ngokuthi adlale ama-video kaMnumzane Julius Malema ongumholi weqembu le-EFF kanye nomnumzane Jacob Zuma ongumholi weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe begqugquzela udlame kwabamhlophe. Ngicela ukuthi uyibone bese ungitshela ukuthi ke wena ngabe ucabangani ngendlela umnumzane Ramaphosa akaphendule ngayo lenkinga, noma mhlambe ngabe ucabangani ngendlela umnumzane Jacob Zuma kanye noJulius Malema abayaye bephushe imikhankaso yabo mangabe bebhekene nabamhlophe. Ngicela hlangana nema-comments uphinde futhi wenze isiqiniseko ukuthi uyasubscribe uyalike.
It has to be responded to.
Yeah, sure.
Let me see the articles, please, if you would. And turn the lights down. Turn the lights down and just put this on. It's right behind you. Johan.
There's nothing this parliament can do. With or without you, people are going to occupy land. We require no permission from you, from the president, from no one. We don't care. We can do whatever you want to do. Who are you to tell us whether we can occupy land or not? We are going to occupy land. Yeah. South Africa occupy land. That's who we are. Whatever you want to do, we can withdraw my membership from this useless parliament.
Yes, honorable member. Must never be scared to kill. A revolution demands that at some point there must be killing, because the killing is part of a revolutionary act. Shoot to kill, Namaza. Kill the poor, the farmer. Kill the poor, the farmer. Pa, 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 pa. To kill, Namaza. Kill the poor, the farmer.
The mayor of DA in PE is a white man. So these people, when you want to hit them, go after a white man. They feel a terrible pain because you have touched a white man. Not because Mashaba and Suni will not be touched. They will be touched, don't want. But we are starting with this whiteness. We are cutting the throat of whiteness.
Shoot to kill, Namaza. Kill the brewer, the farmer. Kill the brewer, the farmer. Pa, pa, pa. Shoot to kill, Namaza. Kill the brewer, the farmer. Kill the brewer, the farmer.
I don't know what's going to happen in the future. I'm saying to you, we've not called for the killing of white people, at least for now. I can't guarantee the future.
Yeah, but I mean, you understand somebody watching that, especially as it gets shared on Twitter, they freak out. It sounds like a genocide over there.
Can't take it.
Who will expropriate land without compensation, whether they like it or not. If they object, they can seek refugee in America.
Now this is very bad. These are burial sites right here. Burial sites. Over 1,000 of white farmers, and those cars are lined up to pay love on a Sunday morning. Each one of those white things you see is a cross, and there's approximately 1,000 of them. They're all white farmers, the family of white farmers. And those cars aren't driving, they're stopped there to pay respects to their family member who was killed. And it's a terrible sight. I've never seen anything like it. Both sides of the road you have crosses.